Welcome back to Neko Nation Japan. This is Jeremy all the way over here in Japan. Today we're looking at the month of February 2021. Let's see what kind of awesome things I've done. I've done something this month I have never done before. It doesn't seem like a big thing, but I'll tell you what, it was big to me. So we're going to get right into this. We're going right over to the accounts. Looking at February 2021, 1st to the 28th. We have dividend payments only $59.58, but it is up quite a bit from last year. We'll see that in a little bit. Now, we're looking at our account values. We have $46,432.93. And individual account, $23,302.89. And custodial account, $8,139.60. What you see here is a little bit off from my usual because this month, because of taxes, I believe, this is the first year I've owned these two accounts, the individual and the custodial. Since all of the tax information came out this month for last year, the statements for this month weren't there for whatever reason. So I kind of got to base off of my fill out account and what the numbers are. I don't have the statements, which I like to base everything off of because obviously it's my facts. All right, so total account value $77,875.42. Very nice. It's going up and up, and I love it. But what I really love is these dividend payments. Now the $59.58 from Roth, nothing else in the individual or in the custodial this month. We're looking to change that, and let me show you exactly how we are changing that. We're looking at our totals between the 2 months. So from January 2021, $74,881 all the way up to $77,875. Now that's a hell of a jump for a month, right? Not too shabby. We're looking at our average dividends. Our dividend payment for January, only $11.12. Not too bad, but this month is definitely a little better anyways. The $59.58. And average those two outs comes out of $35.35. Not too bad. Not too bad. We're increasing that average every month basis, which I love. Let's get right into this. Look at the overall dividend payments for each year. Again, 2017, $319. 2018, $407. 2019, $652. 2020, best year so far, $1,408.77. So far this year. So 2021, $70.70, not bad, not bad. It's definitely improved over last year. Let's look exactly what was so special about this month, shall we? This month and this year is the first time I have ever sold out of security. So I sold a total of $13,989.42. What exactly did I sell? We'll see here. And I bought a total of $11,608.73. What I bought exactly is I bought more AT&T, I bought more Exxon, and I bought this new beautiful thing right here, Realty Income Corporation, 150 shares, beautiful company, dividend payer every month. I'm looking at the compound interest. So every month I get paid, and I get paid for a little while anyways until the compounding increases. I'll get an extra 13 cents every month. Now, that doesn't seem like a lot, but that's every month I'm getting more and more. So this month I'll get an extra 13 more cents. Next month I'll get probably another 14 more cents. Then 16, then 17, then 20, then it just goes up and up. And that's what I want to show exactly the power of this to each and every one of you, and so I make sure I do it myself. Let's keep going, shall we? Let's look at each one of them. So AT&T bought 40 shares of that, and that went up to 102.962. And I got the Apple dividends, so that's 86 shares of Apple, it's 0.773, and then it went to 86.903. Not too bad. Coca-Cola, 109 shares thing. I went to Corvitia from 56, sold out of those. Dow Chemical is still a great dividend payer. I got 57 shares. I'm just looking to hold on for those for a while. Then DuPont, sold out of that. It was giving me not as great dividend return as I was looking for. sold that off. Great company, but I just want to see more monthly dividends. So here we are. I bought Exxon. More shares there. 23, I believe it was. Not too bad. I want to get that up to 50, so I have mostly 50 shares and just about everything. Now, here's where I sold off a lot. Johnson & Johnson, I'm hanging on to that. McDonald's, I still want to hang on to that. And Microsoft, these are my 3 smallest positions now in this account. Procter & Gamble, sold that off. I still love the company. It is a great company. It pays a good dividend. But I don't have enough to make sense, and I want to concentrate my efforts a little bit. Southern Company, still a good company, but sayonara, there it goes. 0 shares, 3M, great company. That's gone too. Public Storage, gone. All of these positions I sold out, all were in the green for me. They were up at least 20% or more. Some of them up ridiculous by the time I got it. Dow DuPont, I originally bought some shares. I bought like 10 shares for $80 each. And then it went down and down and down. I eventually got my cost basis down to $35 per share. Then it went back up. So I put a total of $7,000 in it. And everything went back up to $80. So I've gained quite a lot of bits. So there's a reason why I got up to $13,000 sold in securities. And I bought Income Realty. I bought 150 shares. I'm impressed. I really like their company. Great REIT. Pays every month, which I'm looking forward to. Next month, we'll see exactly how much I get and see what kind of I'm going to have to do with that. Now, we're looking at individual account. Didn't receive any dividends. Let's just look through it, shall we? All right, 421 shares and 0.353 of our North American tanker. Carnival Cruise Corporation still at 100, waiting for that dividend to get back in, or we'll see what it is. It's almost coming up on a year. At the end of next month, it'll be a year, so we're going to look at it, see what I'm going to do. Coca-Cola, 102.551 shares. Dow Chemical, I think it's just Dow now. Dow, 52.175. Nordstrom, 50 shares. Tapestry, 50 shares. Toll Brothers, 50.651 shares. And this company right here, Toll Brothers, they have been the best for me in this account, and individual and in my custodial account. Seeing massive gains on this. I'm looking at Walgreens Boots Alliance. I'm looking at this right here, WBA, 50 shares. I'm looking forward to that. See more. I could see some positive things with the vaccine coming out. A lot of good things coming up. I want to see where that goes. If not, I'm just holding on to it. It's a great dividend paying company. I'm okay with it for the next few years or so. Kim Realty, not bad. 52 shares of that. And Mac, always good too. Another couple really good dividend payers. Well, all of them are pretty good dividend players. Some of them are a little better than others. Speaking of which, we have in our custodial account 105.337 shares of North American Tanker. CCL, just waiting on that dividend. 50 shares there. Coca-Cola, 51.274. Toll Brothers, 50.651 shares. And Kim Realty, 50.992. All of these are looking good. I really like what's trending. I mean, everything's going up. I sold out of that. I bought some other things I really liked and thought it was a pretty good value. Taking a look at our final breakdown of the month of February 2021, we have, starting from our Roth account, $28,542, went all the way up to $46,432. Not bad for 3 years. And this month we've received $59.58 for Roth dividend payments. Starting individual accounts, it's almost been 1 year, but in that 1 year we went from $15,000 all the way up to $23,302.89. And our custodial account, $5,007, no dividends this month, but up to $8,139.60, making our total from conception to right now in the month of February 2021, $77,875.42. So what are the percentages we're looking at here? We've had a total, for a Roth account, we've had a percentage gain of 38.53% gain. Individual account, only 35.63, but hey, I'll live with it. And custodial account, 38.49%. And a total from cash invested to current value and assets, 37.66% gains. I like it. It's not too much gain, but it shows you exactly where you can go. If you just implement this passive income dividend statement, you're looking for your passive income, you want to be able to turn it on at a moment's notice. See what kind of passive income you can get from your portfolio. Select those good dividend paying companies. I took a lot of money out of individual accounts. When I first started, I was like, oh, okay, I'll put a little here, a little there. Only 1,000 in each company, and that's where I was when I began, and that's fine. That's where everybody needs to really start up in certain companies and see where that ends up. Kind of modified my process, if you will, there. I think it's really improved, and I want to see the even better results this year and the years following. See exactly where all that money is going. So I invested a total in Realty Income, ticker symbol O, if you will. I invested $9,300 in it thus far. I'm looking at a dividend payment of about $35 per month. Now, that's almost 3 times what I was getting in all those other companies on a 3-month basis. So over that time, I would probably get $60 or so, or less. And I'm really looking forward. I'm going to do a breakdown probably next month to figure out exactly, after I receive the dividend payment, calculate out exactly how much increase it's going to be compared to what it was before with the other companies. I'll take a look and see what kind of things are in my future. With that, thank you very much. This has been Jeremy from Neko Nation Japan, signing off, saying sayonara.